Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's start today's video. Exterior design. The BMW X7 features a bold and imposing exterior design with a large kidney grille, LED headlights, and distinctive BMW styling cues. Available options may include different wheel sizes and designs, as well as various paint colors and trim packages for customization. Interior comfort and space. The X7 offers 3 rows of seating, accommodating up to 7 passengers comfortably, with the option for second-row captain's chairs reducing seating to 6. High-quality materials and finishes adorn the cabin, including premium leather upholstery, wood trim, and metal accents. Features such as multi-zone automatic climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and available massaging seats enhance passenger comfort. Infotainment and connectivity. The BMW X7 is equipped with BMW's latest iDrive infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display and a rotary controller for intuitive navigation. Standard features may include navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system. Available upgrades may include a panoramic sunroof, rear seat entertainment system, and a Wi-Fi hotspot for connectivity on the go. Driver assistance and safety features. The X7 is loaded with advanced driver assistance systems to enhance safety and convenience. These may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and parking assistance features. BMW's active driving assistance suite may offer additional safety features such as pedestrian detection, rear cross traffic alert, and traffic jam assist. Performance. The BMW X7 offers a range of powerful engine options, including inline-6 and V8 gasoline engines, as well as a plug-in hybrid variant for improved efficiency. Standard xDrive all-wheel drive provides confident traction and stability, while an available air suspension system delivers a smooth ride and adjustable ride height. Off-road capability. While primarily designed for on-road driving, the BMW X7 may offer available features such as an off-road package with selectable driving modes and underbody protection for light off-road excursions. Luxury and convenience features. The X7 boasts numerous luxury and convenience features, including soft closed doors, hands-free power liftgate, keyless entry and ignition, ambient interior lighting, and a power-folding third-row seat for added versatility. Customization options. BMW offers a wide range of customization options for the X7, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle to their preferences with various trim levels, packages, and standalone options. Options may include upgraded leather upholstery, premium sound systems, adaptive suspension systems, and advanced driver assistance packages. Ownership benefits. BMW typically provides comprehensive warranty coverage for the X7, including a limited warranty, roadside assistance, and scheduled maintenance plans to ensure peace of mind for owners. Overall, the BMW X7 combines luxurious accommodations, advanced technology, and impressive performance to deliver a premium SUV experience suitable for discerning buyers seeking a spacious and upscale vehicle.